As you can see, I already put my contact lenses in, and we're going to start using Palladio Kajal in white. First, we're gonna do the skull design on our face, and for that, I'm just doing round circles around my eyes, and I'm gonna paint a little nose. And I'm using this white Kajal to paint all my face so I can have a white base for my candy skull. I'm gonna be using my fingers to blend all the white out. You could use a sponge or brush. I just find it easier using my fingers. And using the powder brush with some white eyeshadow, we're going to set all our white paint. For the black areas, I'm using 50/50 Palladio eyeliner. This has a black kajal in one corner, and in the other side it comes with a black eyeliner in a pencil shape. And I'm gonna be using the kajal for now, just to do the inner part of my eyes and fill everything with black. Using the same liner, we're gonna fill our nose. Time for some color, and I'm using metallic shadow in Nebula. This is like a shimmery purple metallic, and I'm just going over my eyelid and a little bit under my eyes just to add some glam colors to my candy skull. I'm using metallic shadow in Zodiac just to add some highlight in the inner corner of my eyes. Now going back to my 50/50, in this case I'm using the eyeliner pencil side, and I'm just gonna be doing the lines for dividing my skull. For this step, you could use a picture of reference, or you could do like I did, just follow your cheekbone shape with the eyeliner. For the teeth, I'm doing simple lines starting from the center of my mouth, and then doing lines side by side, leaving a little bit of a space so we can actually make our teeth. Going back to our silhouette duo and this angle brush, I'm adding some black color under the lines in our cheekbones to make the upper part of our skull pop out a little bit more. Now to add more color, I'm going back to my Nebula eyeshadow, and I'm just adding purple around my forehead, on my temples, also under the black lines, just to give that ombre effect. I'm going to apply Zodiac on my cheekbones, and this is gonna work as our highlighter. I'm using Palladio Velvet Matte in the mask to add some details to my candy skull. For this, I'm just using the applicator that comes in the lipstick. This is a matte lipstick, so it dries completely matte, and I'm going to be using it for the rest of the details on the face. For the face, you could use a picture of reference or just have fun by adding dots and lines, hearts, or whatever shape you want. But my recommendation would be to start from the middle of the forehead and then adding more around the face, on the jaw, on the cheekbones, and pretty much everywhere. And I'm also adding some dots with the black eyeliner and some lines with a little twist on the corners. You could do whatever you want, like I said, use a picture of reference, or if you want, take this video as reference for your look. Just have fun doing this, please. I'm using Palladio Kajal in white again, just to pop out a little bit more those teeth. I was loving this look, so I felt I was missing some hearts. To finish this look, you could add some crystals if you want to, otherwise you can leave it like this, and this will be the final look. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and of course subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our next tutorials.